Welcome back to App and Web Workshop. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get unbanned from TikTok Live. If your TikTok live streaming has been suspended, here's how to appeal and get unbanned. First, open the TikTok app on your phone and tap on Profile at the bottom right corner. Now, go to the top right and tap the three horizontal lines to open the menu. Next, select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down to the Support and About section and tap on Help Center. Now scroll down to the Live section and tap on the Live is Suspended option. Click on the button Submit a Ticket. Now this is where you'll submit your TikTok Live ban appeal. In the text bar, type your message explaining your TikTok Live ban situation. For example, I've been suspended from TikTok Live and would like to appeal this decision. Please review my account for reinstatement. Tap Submit and wait for TikTok support to respond. Following these steps, you can appeal your TikTok live ban and potentially get your live streaming access restored.
Hope this tutorial was helpful. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next video.